Yeah. So we are going to continue the series Elements in Physics, and I think up to JEE Mains level, you probably covered almost everything that you required. You understood the basic theory on how to do questions, and for the questions that ask like a solid sphere, even in JEE advanced level, when those such type questions are asked, let me just say this, guys. You can do them just by checking elements, putting the values and just approximating. This is a JEE advanced question from 2015. I will show you how to do these type of questions for solid sphere and all this without even knowing the full full process of doing them. But we all know the basic idea on how to take elements for a solid sphere. For solid sphere, for what did we do for hollow sphere? We took rings, right? For solid sphere, we are just going to take discs. We are just going to take discs, and keep them top of each other, and we will just integrate that to be able to get the answers. That's how we will do for solid spheres. Basically, discs top of each other, and we will take elements. But without this knowledge, can we do this question? Oh yeah, absolutely we can do this question. We know the formula of moment of inertia, I equal to integration r square into dm. That's it, right? So what is dm? In this case, for this value, we have gotten the density as a function of r, and this is the density we have gotten. We know that dm by dv is equal to density. Yeah. And we know that the dm equal to, just multiply, take the dv to there. And what is dv? Basically, even without knowing the dv, guys, hear me out. I mean, we have to integrate that, so we have to know the dv. Let's consider the dv to be some r cube, right? R cube into dr something. We can integrate, we will get the answer. Wait, am I doing it right? Yeah, I am doing it right. R square into dr, it is going to be L cube. R square into dr, it is going to be L cube, matching the dimensions that we require. So I will just took R square as the dv. R square into dr as the dv, because it matches the elements and we will be able to get the answers. You can get the answers in any shape if they just ask the question like this and they do not give you options, but they ask you just ratios. You can do this for ratio processes for almost every question. And in JEE Advanced, I haven't seen a single question that specifically asked us to know how to integrate for solid spheres or for density of volumetric density objects. So let us try to see if we can do that or not. First we will find IA equal to integration of r square. dm is a density of A into volume, which is r square into dr. We are taking that. Now density is k r by r. K is a constant. R power 4 into r by r into dr. You are taking these values, and IA equal to k into integration of r power 5. R is a constant into dr. Okay, we got this, and now we just integrate it. We are going to get k by r power 6 by 6, 0 to r, blah 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 blah. This is all not required. 6, and this is r cancels, r power 5. So k r power 5 by 6 is the approximate dimensions for moment of inertia of IA. I mean, not the dimensions, but you are getting my idea, right? Yeah. So now we will do for IB similarly, same stuff, no complications. Equal to integration of r square into k into r by r. I just directly substituted r power 5 into r square into dr, blah 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 blah. Take the r outside, it is going to be 1 by r power 5, and k r power 4 into r power 5, r power 9 into dr, I'm just doing the dimensions, guys. So we are going to get k r power 5 into r power 10 by 10 blah blah. This is r power 5. Yeah. So now they are asking us IA by IB, IB by IA. IB by IA. What is IB? R power 5 by 10. Obviously there is k, I am just not putting it. And IA is r power 5 by 6. From 6 by 10. Now if we compare which is n by 10 and n equal to n is equal to c, we got. Now then, that's it for today's video. And as you can see, even in JEE advanced level, just by knowing the dimensions, you can do the questions for these type of questions, which they only ask the ratios. We do not have to get so complex on knowing, like for solid sphere we have to do the disk and we have to integrate, find elements. We do not need such ideas. I mean, maybe JEE advanced could ask us questions like that. This is not out of advanced range, but mostly they won't ask questions from they can absolutely ask from solid spheres and solid cylinders, but they won't ask questions from solid cones. No, this is JEE advanced. Who am I? How can I know that stuff? Yeah, they could ask questions from there, but I am just here to show you that even such questions, some questions you can do through just analyzing dimensions, as I've done over there. This is how we do these type of problems. I mean, you can do the natural way, like integrate stuff properly, take elements properly, but to save time you can also do this way. We just have to analyze the dimensions and we can get the answer absolutely. That's it for today's video. I hope you all